As well as color renderings in the building program, these can also be carried across into the energy program, where not only profile entries can be displayed as room data, but you can also look at resulting data as well, such as heat gains or heat losses. So if I will go in again, you go into display options, you then go into the room annotations and decide, in this case I'm going to select profile, I'm going to select heat gains, I'm going to select heat losses. When you select items that require a calculation to be performed, it will calculate if you're making a new adjustment. Here it's happened automatically because the calculation has already taken place. So anything that results in a calculation, the program will go through the cycling of the spaces before it displays the relevant data.